Hello, my name is Derek Pearson and I am the inventor of Grip Curl, the next big thing for your phone case. Grip Curl is an integrated cell phone device that deploys easily and unleashes your phone's uses. Taking a break from my studies as a freshman at ASU, a bunch of buddies and I went to a football game. As we're all hanging out and texting, I happened to notice something interesting about my buddy's phone case. It had a kickstand on the back, which was able to prop his phone up so he could watch the pregame. I played around with it for a while and thought to myself, there's a lot more functions that could be added to the phone case to make it much more practical and unique. My immediate thought was to add a retractable band to the back of the phone case that when deployed, it would wrap around your finger and make it much easier to grip, and also functions as a kickstand. As the game went on, my attention was outside the stadium and on how I'm going to bring my idea to life. On the way home, I kept thinking about how I was going to share it with my automotive engineer dad. After hearing my idea, he said it sounded intriguing, but to try to make a rough prototype so he could fully understand the problem and how my case would solve it. I pulled together the necessary parts to build my first prototype to bring to my dad. I dropped by the house, and after hearing my pitch and seeing what I came up with, he looked at me and said, "Derek, I think we may have something here." My dad, along with another engineer, set out to improve on the initial design concept. Since then, we've spent many long hours improving on my original design. Today, we are ready to take the next step and bring Grip Curl to you. Having an idea is one thing, but acting on that idea and creating a product is another. So your support will help further my dream and assist our team with the final manufacturing costs to get Grip Curl into the market. So let me tell you about Grip Curl. It quickly deploys for a firm grip, rotates for optimal positions either in landscape or portrait, also functions as a kickstand in landscape or portrait. It has a unique band interlock for maximum grip support. The band easily tucks away into your phone case when not in use, and integrated to smoothly slide in your pocket when you're on the go.